Good day, I am J. Cyril C. Binaloga from BSHM2 BDA, and I'm going to make two cocktails, which is the screwdriver cocktails and the Black Russian cocktails. So before that, let me show you a flare tending techniques first. So first is the screwdriver. In the highball glass, we put a ice. Next is the vodka, which is the 5 centiliter of vodka. Next is the orange juice, which is the 10 centiliter of orange juice. And lastly, the garnish, which is the orange slice. So this is the screwdriver cocktail. Then serve. The next is the Black Russian, which is we use a old-fashioned glass. In old-fashioned glass, we put a ice. Then 5 centiliter of vodka. The next is the coffee liquor, which is 2 centiliter. Then lastly, stir gently. Then garnish, which is the lemon slice. Then serve. Thank you.